Hello friends, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today I'm going to show you how to make YouTube channel private. So for this tutorial, don't skip the video. Before this video, if you still don't subscribe to our channel, then please go for it. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for upcoming videos. So let's go back to the tutorial. So first you need to go to your youtube.com and log into your YouTube profile. Okay. Now click on this icon which is top on the right corner. So click on it and go to YouTube Studio. Okay, wait for a second. Now go to this settings option here and go for this channel option. Now tap on advanced settings, scroll down and go to manage YouTube account. Okay, now go to this advanced settings option. Now you can see there is an option as delete channel, so go for it. Okay, now don't worry, you are just make your YouTube channel private. So now you have to go to this option, I want to hide my channel. So go for it and check all these things. Okay, now tap on just hide my channel. After tap on this tab, your account will be private. So guys, this is how you can make YouTube channel private. Hope this video helped to you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.